Look at her, look at her. No. Brenda.
The day has finally arrived for me to test out this Super Psycho Savage 160 project bike. I stuck on all that OOracing stuff, you know, the carb, weighted flywheel and racing ignition system. And well, the weather's dried up. It's pretty primed to have a little go on the bike and test it out that it's all working fine. So that is the plan for today. And also, Bullhead should be down there waiting for me with the hand camera.
Yeah.
She rips. That's got some mid-range now. It just pulled until it couldn't pull anymore. Madness, this little thing. It's definitely some super psycho. Try a bit of cornerage now then. Where's that corner? Good recovery. I'm used to knocking it fully down. Bit of brakes. Oh! Crazy little thing. It's a bit dry, I'm getting a bit good traction. What a buzz! This thing is shredding.
And pause. Yeah.
Are you recording?
Something's happening. That dial going around, isn't it?
That's your fault.
Oh, you got something hanging down, look, all tripped up. Hang on, he had the choke on. Turn the petrol on. Yeah, that's it. Right, fold that over now, We used to do all that when we was on our grifters. Yeah.
Wow, this thing, I don't know how to describe it. It's just like a little, it's like a vicious little dog. It's got a nice loud bark and it's got a vicious little bite, unlike most. It is just great fun. It's come together really well. I've got a few more things to do to it, but I've been out, test ridden it, happy with how it performs. I think it's got some bit more mid to top range. It's quite interesting really. It definitely tops out a lot quicker, but also it started really easy. First kick, I did these jobs to it probably about a month ago now, and it kept raining. I couldn't really test it, so it'd been standing for, like I said, about a month. Put my trainers on, give it a really light kick, and it fired straight up. I thought, that's impressive. Also, I've got a few more things now that I can do to this bike. I've just been waiting for this test ride, and then I can do some more work on it. That's probably it for today. Yeah, I'm going to start heading home. Hope you enjoyed this upload. Thanks for watching. Moto Machines out. Who's this lunatic? Arm out. It's arm out bullet.